Today is day 11 of 90 days challenge of learning with Blue Ocean compliance. Yes, today is day 11. It has been 11 days that we are discussing the serious regulatory observations which are given by the regulatory authorities to the pharmaceutical companies, manufacturing companies, which got them landed into getting the warning letters. So, in these days, if you will listen to these observations and implement those learnings on your manufacturing side, then believe me, you are bringing a drastic change on your manufacturing sites. And all these things, not I am telling you only based on the knowledge read and theoretical knowledge and read and understood, but it is based on my personal experience. I have seen that what is the impact of following these compliance on the manufacturing side. And in these 90 days, not only I am going to discuss about the warning letters and serious observations which are given to the manufacturing companies, but many other elements which can help pharma professionals to get success in their career, to grow in their career, to get the higher level in their career. So till date I always created and shared my learnings to the by point of view by the only the manufacturing company. But this time in these 90 days I am sharing with you the experience and knowledge to help you to grow, and will share many things that have helped me to grow and reach to this level in my career. So if you are a pharma professional and you want to grow in your career in pharmaceutical industry, you want to do the magic in your career, you want to grow magically, so keep following me and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss any of my content, whatever I am creating and whatever experiences I am sharing with you. So every day means these were not only the technical things but many other elements which help a professional to grow in their career I am going to share here. But currently we are discussing the observations which are given to the manufacturing company, to pharmaceutical company. Okay, so today is day 11, and this day we are discussing few things. And many people, many manufacturing company do the mistakes that they believe that if they will follow the if they will not follow the guidelines, and it is going to help in their company to save some commercial things, and they can grow without following the guidelines also. But this is the delusion, means it is not the fact. So let me share you the mistakes that the manufacturing companies has done. So there were a company where the regulatory authority found that they failed to establish the specification, test procedures, working standard systems, and those standards of analytical laboratory which ensure that their components of the drug product are of the good quality. Right? If the test procedures will not be proper, the working standards will not be proper, and if there will be no specifications compliance followed, in fact specifications are not there, test procedures are not there. If test procedures are there, so test procedures are not also not complied. So, and still the companies are releasing the product in the market. So really these people, these companies landed up getting the warning letters, right? And you know that from warning letters huge losses to the manufacturing company, $1 billion are required to come out of this situation. And for 1 year, minimum 1 year, company cannot do business with any other company, in fact cannot do the business, and no other company want to associate with such companies, right? So this was the observations of 21 CFR 211160 non-compliances. Okay, and also I have seen and read the warning letters that the method validation is not performed, right? So let me share with you that whatever your product you are releasing and you are ensuring the quality of the product, it is based on the testing you do in the quality control laboratory. Okay, and how do you do the testing? By testing those elements or drug components and ensuring that they are passing the specification. So how? By test procedures. And if the test procedure itself is not reliable, if the test procedure cannot ensure you that the test procedure itself is robust, rugged, and it is validated, then how you can ensure that whatever results you are getting by that test procedures are proper? So every time whenever you will use these non-validated analytical methods, so every time may be possible that you may be getting the different results, and based on these different results you are going to pass your product or you are going to fail your product. And and for manufacturing that product, the huge cost is involved. Are you agree with me or not? There is huge cost is involved, and you are deciding your decision of failing any product or passing any product based on the test procedure which is itself not validated. Then on which basis you are deciding this? And based on that method which is itself not validated and not reliable and not rugged, not robust, based on that procedure you are going to decide that your product is going to pass or fail. So obviously it is not a wise decision to test the drug product based on the non-validated analytical methods and totally relying on those test methods which themselves are not reliable. Okay, so these were the things observed and which caused the companies getting the warning letters. And another thing is that quality control, many manufacturing companies are found that they did not have properly quality control department itself, and their responsibilities was also not written. So if the responsibilities is not written, then how the people who are working in the organization will know that what they will have to do? Okay, so make sure that there are clearly defined responsibilities of responsibility in your organization, not only quality control but each and every department. Okay, so another thing is that violation of 21 CFR 211.84, right? So what is the fact that whenever you are buying any raw material, right? Raw material you are buying, packing material you are buying, and you are buying from the suppliers, and the suppliers must be giving you some COA, right? And even after you get the COA, that you will have to ensure with the identification test that whatever raw material you have procured, that is really that raw material. If you will not ensure that the raw material you are procured is the actual material, then how you can ensure that can be confident about that material? So performing the identification, at least the identification test of the raw material or packing material or the material whatever you are using to manufacture your drug product is mandatory, right? And if you will not do the identification, it will cause violation of the guidelines. So that is not acceptable, and many of the companies have violated this. So they have got the warning letters, and warning letters are given, or guidelines are prepared to make you ensure that the quality of your product is good. And if the quality of your product is good, then no one can stop you from growing. And if the quality of your product is not good, that no one can help you to grow. Okay, so complying the guideline is really, really important, not for the regulatory, but it is for your growth. And as a pharma professional, as you are working in this pharma industry, it is compulsory for you to know the guidelines. Okay, and only reading it help us to keep in mind, but when we discuss the things, when we brainstorm the things with someone, so it really helps. So what we are doing is we are discussing the guidelines and the things and mistakes which other companies have done in these days. Okay, so, and whenever you have any supplier, so ensuring that periodically you will have to audit the supplier's side, or supplier qualification, vendor qualification. You will have to ensure that they are following the compliance and they are following the guidelines, because you are responsible for the material you are using and from where you are procuring that material. And for that you will have to audit the supplier regularly and on periodic basis. Okay, so these were today's learning, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and be in touch, so that you will not miss any of the learning whatever I am sharing. And believe me, whatever I am sharing, these things are very simple, and you will feel that you know everything, but only knowing and not doing is equal to not knowing. And when you will apply these things on your manufacturing site, you are doing the magic for your company, and really you are going to add the magic in your growth. Okay, so we will be discussing not only the technical but many psychological things and other things which will really going to help you to grow and making your career. Okay, so stay tuned and be in touch, and do not forget to share your learnings and comments in the on YouTube channel, and here also on other platforms also. And stay tuned. Okay, today these were the learnings. With this, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye, and all the best for your growth and career. Thank you.